Hello, I'm Dr. David Hodgetts, the founder of VRGS Science Limited and the creator of VRGS. I'm thrilled to announce our upcoming Introduction to Digital Outcrop Interpretation with VRGS workshop. This workshop is designed to provide newcomers to digital outcrop modelling with all the necessary tools and knowledge to interpret and analyse digital outcrop data. VRGS, or Virtual Reality Geological Studio, is cutting-edge software that integrates virtual outcrops into your geological analysis workflow. Developed specifically for geoscientists and engineers working on digital outcrop data, it revolutionises the visualisation, interpretation and analysis of digital outcrop models. VRGS supports various data formats such as photorealistic meshes, point clouds, digital elevation models and satellite imagery. With a wide range of tools at your disposal, it empowers you to extract the maximum value from your datasets across different scales. The workshop is for anyone interested in digital outcrop modelling, from industry, academia or even the public. If you don't have a VRGS license, you can get a free trial through the VRGS Science website, and even better still, the workshop is free of charge. During the workshop we will cover a range of topics including how to set up your project, importing point clouds and meshes, georeferencing data from ground control points, merging outcrop models with digital elevation data, handling different coordinate systems, adding annotations, making basic interpretations and exporting data. Register now for Introduction to Digital Outcrop Interpretation with VRGS over on Eventbrite. Just search VRGS and remember to follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube and Twitter by searching @VRGS Science. Join us in this workshop to not only learn about interpreting digital outcrop data, but also to discover the capabilities of VRGS. I look forward to seeing you all online.